Hi, Lucas. Hi, Julie. So you wanted to know how to do a satin stitch. And I'm going to show you, I have some green embroidery thread and I used white. So to make a satin stitch, what you do is you come up through your material. Okay, hang on. Mimi, this is going to be hard for me. Then you decide how wide you want it to be. So let's just say we want to go here. So then we come straight across from it and go down. Then your very next stitch is going to be coming up right next to it. Okay, like right beside it. And then you're going to come up and then you're going to go down right beside it. Again, the same width. All right, see how that? So then my next stitch, I'm going to come up right next to it. Of course, it's hard because I'm kind of holding it off to the side here. And then again, I'm trying to do it just the same width, and that is a satin stitch. So now you can lengthen your satin stitch. Say you wanted to do, like a lot of times you'll see a satin stitch on a leaf or something. And so what you can do is you can lengthen the width of your satin stitch. Okay, so you would come down a little bit on the one side and then go longer on the other side. And you'll be able to see that it's going to be, whoops, got a little knot there. So I just pull that out. So let me just do a couple wider and then I'll narrow it back in again. So I'm just coming up right next to it. And then I'm going to do about the same width. Now I could make it wider depending on what sort of shape I wanted to do. So let's just say, like I said, this is kind of almost like reminds me of a leaf type shape. Oops. So I'm going to narrow it down. Now again, I'm kind of holding it off to the side. Mimi would not win any neat stitching award, but hopefully this will give you what you need to be able to do a satin stitch. So let me do one more, kind of coming right next to it. And so the key is just coming next to it, and then you can see. So I kind of changed the width in the middle, but you could make it all one width. And then that's all you do is you just keep doing that across. And that is a satin stitch. And I wanted to show you, I am using your little pillow that you made me as a little pin cushion. I have it sitting here next to my sewing machine. And I'm sticking my pins in it when I take them out. So, all right, bye.